rain, guys. Unbelievable. This wind is like tropical storm force wind. Oh my god. This is nuts. Look at this. Look at this. The wind is chilly. The rain is coming down in buckets. Like nuts. Woo! The wind is like terrible. Gusty. Like blowing 35 miles an hour at times. And it's like nuts. I don't think I'm gonna be rail penning today. I don't think we're gonna get this much rain either. This is crazy. Woo! Oh, the game, not yet. The wind is like, look at that. Look at the wind just flipping the trees around. Nothing. Unbelievable how much rain we're getting. Goodness gracious. Woo! I'm gonna get 91 out, I guess. This rain is something, though. I'll tell you that.